Hello dear student, once again welcome in this class. Today we are going to discuss another most effect, electromeric effect. In last video we have discussed about the inductive effect, and also we saw that inductive effect are of two types, minus inductive effect and plus inductive effect. Okay, and next one is electromeric effect. It is the second number, electromeric effect. What is electromeric effect, and in which type compound electromeric effect is occur? Dear student, the compound in which multiple bond are present shows electromeric effect. The electromeric effect is temporary but complete transfer of pi electron. Okay, dear student, when in the presence of a taking reagent, the electron, pi electron displays to one of the atom in the compound is called electromeric effect. Okay, dear student, but one condition is, as soon as the attacking reagent removed, the electrons returns back to their original position. Okay, dear student, now the definition is the complete transfer of the shared pair of electrons of a multiple bond to one of the atom in the presence of attacking reagent is called electromeric effect. Let us see the definition. The complete transfer of shared pair of electrons of multiple bond may be double bond or triple bond. Okay, dear student, to one of the shared atom in the presence of a taking reagent. Okay, dear student, so a taking reagent, the spelling is wrong here. Reagent like this. A taking reagent is called electromeric effect. Okay, electromeric effect. And electromeric effect are temporary but complete transfer of pi electron. Okay, dear student, let us see. One thing is, as soon as we have already told you that as soon as the attacking reagent is removed, the electrons come back to their original position. Okay, and see here, suppose one pi bond, one sigma bond and one pi bond present between carbon. Okay, and there is a presence of attacking reagent. Here written attacking reagent. Okay, dear student, the electron displaces completely one carbon atom get negative charge while another carbon atom get positive charge, because electron transfer from this side to this side, it get negative charge and it get positive. As soon as the attacking reagent is removed, here write attacking reagent is removed, the electron return back to its original position. Okay, dear student, and the electromagnetic effect denoted by a curved line like this. Okay, now electromagnetic effect are of two types. Electromagnetic effect are of two types. One is plus electromagnetic effect and second one is minus electromagnetic effect. Okay, dear student, one is plus electromagnetic effect and second one is minus electromagnetic effect. What is plus electromagnetic effect? When the electrons of pi bond are transferred to that atom of the double bond to which the attacking reagent get attached, when the electrons of the pi bond transfer to those atoms at which attacking reagent is attached, is called plus electromagnetic effect. Let us see the example, like when carbon double bond carbon and attacking reagent is proton. This is the attacking reagent, and the electron transfer in this direction to this carbon atom, and then it will attach to this carbon atom, and like carbon bond carbon and here hydrogen. Okay, this will get positive charge. This type transfer is called plus electromagnetic effect. In another word, second one is minus inductive effect. Electromagnetic effect. In this effect, the displacement takes place away from the attacking reagent. In other words, we can say that in this minus inductive effect, when electron transfers to those atoms on which attacking reagent is not attached, or displacement takes place away from the attacking reagent. Like suppose we have a carbonyl group C double bond O, and you know here attacking reagent is cyanide, and you know the electronegativity of oxygen is greater than those of carbon atom, so electron will displace towards the oxygen atom like this. Okay, and cyanide already bearing negative charge and it has an electron density, so it will attach to the carbon, that means carbon nucleus. Okay, like this. Okay, and the product will form like C here, Cn and oxygen and negative charge. You can see here in this displacement, the displacement takes place away from the attacking region. This is attacking region, it is attacking here this carbon atom, but electron displaces away from the attacking region. You can see here. In this condition, electron displaces to those carbon atom on which attacking region is attached. This is a plus in electromeric effect and this is a minus electromeric effect. Okay, dear student, I think you understood what is electromeric effect. One thing is inductive effect is permanent while electromeric effect is temporary. Okay, dear student. Okay, thank you. All the best.